This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we have a product here from RainPoint Products. They're in smart garden and watering systems is kind of their thing. This is their 2-zone basic package. Now what it includes is a hub, and it also includes kind of your outdoor water monitor as well, that splits your hose into 2 different zones so that you can water 2 things with the same hose basically. We're in the process of getting it all hooked up. Again, you will need a phone. This is app supported, and you have your user manuals for both, a quick start guide as to how to get everything going, and then you have a warranty card for a 5-year warranty to activate within a certain amount of time after getting the product, and more details along those lines with a 180-day exchange or return policy as well. You have a couple of things of thread tape also so that you can prevent leaks in your system while you are watering with it, since you're going to have the water hooked up to this all the time. And while I've got the app downloading here, again, it's on a QR code, or you can just search Homgar app, and it's downloading now. I do want to mention that there's a discount code in the description below, as well as all of the social media links and hashtags to RainPoint in addition for you. Now in terms of Wi-Fi, we're going to set up the Wi-Fi, and now it's scanning the Wi-Fi. I've plugged in my wireless network information into the app, and we're going to hit the next button on here. And it's going to search. It found the device. Excellent. We're going to add the device. So we're going to set up the 2-zone water timer now. When you go on the home page, you can add a device, and it's a 2-zone water timer. So we're going to see if it'll pair up here. But we're going to start by inserting the batteries. What's going to happen is you'll see it turn itself on just like so, and then it's going to start blinking really fast, just like this, and it's in the process of pairing. There we go, we got it locked in. So if you unpair it, you have to reset it so that it'll pair. Now we have valve left and valve right. It'll show you the amount of water that you've used. You can put it on a plan. You can turn rain delay off, irrigation plans. Your start time is at 7 o'clock p.m. Stop watering by, you could either do water usage or duration. The duration is 10 minutes. If you want to do 5 minutes, you can do that, and you can repeat it every day. It'll show you the next plan and the usage on here. So you can see through the app I was able to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and also I got my location information on the app as well, which updated everything to show you the current temperature outside, the high and low temperature, and I was able again to change the units of measurement. Let's take this outside, set up a couple of devices, and see how well they perform. So we have our makeshift setup here. Again, you want to make sure you have good hoses that don't have any leaks, because especially the inlet hose, because the inlet hose is going to be on all the time if you have this connected. So I have these both to go off in a couple minutes. What I want to do is show y'all that you can manually turn them on and off by this controller. Just like so. One thing I do want to mention is when you make your plans, I don't know how well I can see this, but it's in military time. A lot of things you can change in your My Home when you go to Home Management. This is where you can change a lot of your units formats right here. So you can use the 24-hour format, you can turn that off. Again, that's where I changed my temperature from Fahrenheit, or from Celsius to Fahrenheit. and a bunch of other things to Americanize it for us here in the United States. I just wanted to show you all a good perspective. Again, overall, the app is pretty good at functioning the way that it needs to function. Just make sure you have hoses, and there we go. As soon as 1:15 hits, I didn't touch anything. It started watering. We'll see if it waters for a minute, and then this hose will turn off and that hose should turn on. That hose actually has reached the amount of watering that it was supposed to reach, because I had that one to be an either or scenario, 1 minute or 0.3 gallons of water. It hit 0.3 gallons of water and stopped, so that's good. There you go, and there's the second one. 1:16 hit and it started spraying. It'll spray for a full minute, so that's really cool. Again, you can have this device near your garden and run 2 short hoses as long as it's within the reach of the hub. Really cool. We're going to sit here and let this thing water for a full minute, and when this water kicks off, we'll go inside. You can check all this on your app in real time as well. So if we go back, we're seeing that it's actively watering on the app. The one on the number 2, which is the left, it'd be the right side if you're looking at it. And it says the next plan for us is 1:15. It used 0.3 gallons, so it stopped before a minute's worth of time. And then when we're actively watering now, it's got 5 seconds left, and it should turn off right now. Perfect. Does exactly what you asked for. It shows you how much it used water wise, and it used 0.6 gallons for that little spritz right there. Works excellent. Just make sure that your hoses seal up nice and tight with the device, and you should be good to go, guys. It works exactly as it should, and y'all just saw it in real time. Alright guys, so y'all saw it work in real time there. You can't ask for much better. One little thing is these buttons on the top feel a little bit flimsy. I think the zone button's actually broken on this. So that's really the only knock I have on the product. Everything works well. And that's honestly not that big of a deal, because you get to see everything from the app anyway. So you don't really even need this display. It's just kind of nice to have. You can see everything on the app right here, controlling your different devices and stuff like that. So that's really, really neat. It's a great product by RainPoint, this 2-zone watering system. It works really well. Just make sure that your hose seals are nice and tight. That way you're not losing any water or leaking any water or anything along those lines. And the outside display, it is weatherproof, but you know, the closer you have it to your hub and to the house, the better off you're going to be because of the range of the signal. But like I said, it worked a good 30 to 40 feet away from the hub here. So most houses, you put it in your house and have it, you know, near your house, then it's going to work out just fine. Thanks again for watching this product review. I want to thank RainPoint for the product. Really good stuff. Should make, you know, another part of your life more passive in allowing technology to do what a human does, so that you can enjoy your life a little bit more, I suppose, after you set everything up, which didn't really take too long at all. Thanks again, guys, and I'll catch you on the next product review.